Thank you for choosing iSpring RO500 Tankless Reverse Osmosis Filtration System. With the innovative compact and all-in-one design, RO500 saves you space under your sink and is easy to install. Please follow through the video for proper installation instruction. Before we begin, please check that all parts were included in the package that your RO500 system arrived in, and be sure to have all the required tools ready as well. The system unit should be placed only on flat surfaces. Do not mount on a wall. The system requires a 100 to 240 volt power outlet. The system operating temperature range is 41 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The system requires drilling a 1/4-inch hole into the under-sink drain pipe for wastewater. The system may require drilling a 1-inch hole into the sink or countertop for faucet installation. Unauthorized modification and disassembly are strictly prohibited and will void the warranty. The system is designed for residential use with municipal water only. Contact iSpring customer service to inquire about using in non-residential or well water settings. Never touch the power cord connector when your hands are wet, as this may result in electric shock. In case of malfunction due to damage or failure of the power supply system, shut off the inline water supply by turning off the adapter. Unplug the system immediately and contact iSpring customer service. Installation: Feed water adapter. RO500 was designed as an under-sink water filtration system. Please clean out the space under the sink prior to installation. The feed water adapter fits common 1/2-inch and 3/8-inch connectors. If you have a different size fitting, you will need to purchase a converter in order to attach the feed water adapter. Step 1. Turn off the cold water supply valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out air and water in the connector pipe. Step 2. Unscrew the faucet connector pipe. Be prepared to catch excess water from the pipe with a towel. Step 3. Install the feed water adapter to the cold water supply valve and tighten it with a wrench. Please make sure the O-ring is seated properly inside the adapter to prevent leaks. Step 4. Please make sure the O-ring is seated properly inside the faucet connector pipe to prevent leaks. Reinstall the faucet connector pipe to the feed water adapter and tighten it with a wrench. Step 5. Unscrew the nut on the feed water adapter valve. Insert the 3/8-inch white tubing into the nipple and then insert the nut to secure the tubing. Installation: Drain saddle. Step 1. Choose a spot on the drain pipe that is convenient for installing the drain saddle and tubing. Step 2. Drill a 1/4-inch hole into the drain pipe. Paste the black sticky pad around the hole to prevent leaks. Step 3. Cut the 1/4-inch red tubing end tip to make a 45-degree angle. Insert the tubing through the hole to the drain pipe. Step 4. Install the back plate and tighten the 2 screws with hex nuts while the tubing remains in the hole. Pull the tubing lightly to make sure it is secure. Installation: Smart faucet. Choose a suitable flat surface on the sink or countertop to install the smart faucet. If your kitchen sink does not have a pre-existing hole, you will need to drill a 1-inch hole, no larger than 1.5 inch. Step 1. Insert the base plate followed by the rubber washer to the faucet base. Step 2. Insert the 1/4-inch white tubing 1/2 inch deep into the push-in adapter, and then insert a 1/4-inch locking clip to lock the tubing in place. Step 3. Clean and dry the sink hole area. Insert the faucet and the tubing into the sink hole. Step 4. From under the sink, insert the mounting washer followed by the wing nut into the faucet stem. Tighten the wing nut to secure the faucet. System installation. Step 1. Remove and unwrap the filters from the system. Remove all rubber plugs from the filters. Step 2. Insert the composite filter to the bottom slot. Insert the post-carbon filter to the middle slot, and insert the reverse osmosis membrane to the top slot. Step 3. Align the arrows with the mark on the side of each slot. Twist the filters clockwise until the arrow on each filter is aligned with the mark on the top of the slot to secure them in place. Step 4. Place the system on a flat surface in the undersink area. Insert the 3/8-inch white tubing into the inlet port of the system. Secure the connection by inserting the 3/8-inch C-clip. Step 5. Insert the 1/4-inch red tubing into the drain port of the system. Secure the connection by inserting the C-clip. Step 6. Insert the 1/4-inch white tubing into the faucet port. Secure the connection by inserting the C-clip. Step 7. Connect the Smart Faucet data interface cable to the faucet power port. Tighten the nut to secure the connection. The Smart Faucet must be plugged in for the system to start. System Startup. Step 1. Turn on the cold water supply valve and the feed water adapter. Check to make sure there are no leaks at the connectors. Step 2. Connect the power cord to the system power inlet. Plug in the power adapter to a power outlet rated between 100 and 240 volts. The system pump will start to work and the status indicator will start to flash in red color. Step 3. Turn on the Smart Faucet to purge out air and let the water run for 30 minutes to flush the system. This step should be done each time the filters are changed. At this time, the status indicator will flash in blue color after a few minutes system flushing. Step 4. Once the system has been completely flushed, turn off the faucet. The TDS reading on the Smart Faucet is now calibrated. Congratulations! Your iSpring RO500 tankless reverse osmosis water filtration system is now set up and ready for use. You can now enjoy clean and refreshing water from home. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.